Hello friend, today in this video I will talk about the group discussion while English learning. If you want to improve your English language, then it is very necessary to join the groups and discuss in those groups in English language. And right now the social media has given you great opportunity to improve your English language because there are lot of stuff uploaded on social media. You can get help from there, and you can also join the group. You can create your own group, otherwise you join the English speaking groups, and there I have seen some groups, there people share their post with a question, and the other people discuss on that post in English language. In this way they come to know the new words, the new sentences, and while discussing with each others they are improving their English language. You can also do this. You can post your question on social media. You can ask from others that why you are willing to learn English language. Then they will reply you, and through their reply you will come to know the new sentences, the new words, and your vocabulary will increase. And if there you find any difficult word in their discussion, you can search that difficult words meaning from your dictionary, or you can search on Google Translator, and in this way you will be able to make yourself fluent, and this will increase your writing skills. And when it comes to the speaking, you also can watch the videos on YouTube. Especially there are so many videos uploaded in English language, and you can browse those videos, you can watch those videos, and you can listen those videos. And the very easy way to listen those videos, that when you are online, download those videos, and when you are offline, and when you get easy time, listen those videos. In this way your listening ability will be better, and from those group discussion you will improve your writing skills, and by listening you will improve your spoken English skill, listening skills. And main other things that you have to do the practical experience of speaking. You have to speak with your friends, search your friends, find your friends, those know the English language, and practically do the exercise. Speak with each others on different situations, such as whenever you go on a beautiful spot, you can talk, you can discuss on that spot, that spot characteristics, that spot's bad things, merits and demerits. Also, if you are alone, you can discuss on any object. First of all, consider any object and discuss on that object. First of all, discuss on that object merits, then discuss on that object demerits. In same way, you can discuss on social media the merits or benefits of your social media, and demerits of social media. In this way, you gradually you will be improve, and you will be able to speak slowly a little fluent English language. But you have to do this practice on daily basis. If you one day you do the practice, and for other 3 days you are disappeared, and after then you do again the practice, it is not good. The consistent effort is required. When you consistently do anything, you will be succeeded finally. So consistent work is very necessary, and especially first of all improve your reading skills, then improve your listening skill, and then do the practical experience, do the practical language speaking experience with some friends. If you do not speak, whether you are a very good writer in English language, you are a very good listener, but whenever you will not speak yourself, you will not be able to speak the language. to improve your language, you have to speak. So get help from your other friends, those you know that better than you in English language, and talk with them. You can also talk with your juniors, because whenever you talk with your juniors, you don't have the fear of any fault while speaking the language. Whenever you speak the language with your seniors, always this thing will be in your mind that my mistake will be, other person will judge my mistake. But when you talk with your juniors, you don't have any kind of fear that anyone can judge you. So while speaking, if you make the mistakes, it is good to make the mistakes, because if you don't make mistakes, and you will not be able to correct yourself. By making little mistakes, one day you will become a proper speaker of English language. For that, don't feel shy while making the mistakes in English language, because you know that whenever we come to know the other languages, those are not our own languages, such as not our mother tongues, because we have to speak a lot of other languages. Sometimes our mother tongue is different and our national language is different, and as you know that English is international language, and it is necessary to learn this language, because we find a lot of stuff in English language. Whenever you go through social media, you will browse everything through English language, and you will find lot of stuff. There are other languages also, but English is the international language, and you can find anything very easily through this language. And this language also help you whenever you visit abroad. Whenever you go outside of your country, you will find the people of other nationalities. Those don't know your language, and you don't know their language. But the only language that will make the bridge between you is the English language. So I think that people have made this language the international language. So we should try to learn this language, and any other language you can also learn. But here in this world, where the demand of this language is more than others. There are some countries I have seen, those don't prefer the English language, such as China, Japan. They prefer their own languages. But there are also some people in those countries, those want to know the English language, and those know the English language, because they know that whenever we will go other countries, we have to speak this language. As you know that ambassadors, those are appointed in other countries, know the English language. If they don't know the English language, they cannot communicate with other peoples. Even they try to learn the language of that country where they are appointed. Such as if a Pakistani person is appointed in Japan, he will try to learn the Japanese language to communicate with those people very easily. Because in Japan, everybody is not able to speak the English language. There are some people, those know the English language. The same situation with other countries. So if you want to master yourself in this language, you have to do the consistent work, consistent hard working. Without hard working, you can do nothing. Hope you find this video useful. Please hit the like button, subscribe button, and give your suggestions below in comment box. Allow me, Altaf Malik, and you are watching me on my English language channel. Thank you. Bye bye.